What's up, beautifuls, and welcome back to my channel. I created this summer cut crease look using some of my favorite blue and teal shades. So if you're ready to get glammed up, continue watching. To prime my lids, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 360 and blending it all in with a small stippling brush. Now I'm going in with that dark blue shade from my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and like Saweetie says, tap 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 in. So in order for you to get the most color payoff, you have to make sure you're tapping your colors rather than swiping them. And I'm using my Morphe M321 brush, which is perfect for detailed crease work. Then once I get the cut crease shape that I like, I'll go in and slightly blend it for the next color. Now I'm taking the teal shade, and with my Lexi mini flat angled brush, I'm tapping that color right above that dark blue shade. And once I have this color as dark as I want in my crease, then I'll go in and slightly blend it. And then I'm going back in with my Morphe brush and with that dark blue shade just to punch in that color a little bit more. And then I'm going back again with the teal shade to make sure it's nice and vibrant. I'm dipping into the sky blue shade, and with my Moda Pro Detailed 420 brush, I'm applying this right on top of that teal shade. And since this is the lightest blue shade, it's going to blend all the colors seamlessly together. I'm using a makeup wipe to clean up any fallout on my lid, and I'm taking the same L'Oreal concealer to cut my crease, and I'm using my Morphe E19 brush. Once I'm satisfied with my cut crease, I'm taking my ABH x Amrezy palette and I'm dipping in the shade Leo, and I'm applying it all over my lid. And this by far has to be one of my favorite colors in this palette. I think one of my favorite colors in my collection, honestly. But this turquoise shade is just so pretty. I love the shimmer in it, and the formula is amazing. For eyeliner, I'm connecting the wing to my crease so it frames my lid shape. And I'm using a ColourPop concealer in the shade Fair. And I'm using this flat brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Dipping back in that dark blue shade, I'm tapping that color onto the concealer so it's really vibrant, and I'm using this Lab eyeliner brush. I'm curling my lashes and going in with the Milk Kush Mascara. For falsies, I'm using these from Amazon. They're super wispy and lightweight, so if you'll like a pair, I'll leave the link down below. Taking this lime green shade, and I'm applying it to the inner portion of my bottom lash line, and I'm using my Morphe M408 brush. I'm dipping in the dark green shade and applying that right next to it. Now I'm going in with that same sky blue color and applying this right next to the green shade. And then applying the teal color right next to that. And then finally I'm applying that dark blue shade, and I'm also connecting it to the eyeliner. For inner corner highlight, I'm taking the shades Mahu and Get Laid from the Bretman x Morphe Babe in Paradise palette and applying it to my inner corner. I'm applying this Glimmer shadow from Ace Beauté in the shade French Vanilla and applying it right on top. And finally, to finish this look off, I'm applying mascara to my bottom lashes. And this is the final result. I'm obsessed with how this cut crease came out. I just love how all the blue colors look together and that little tints of green. So definitely try it out and let me know how you like it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial and if you want to see more looks like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out, babes.